You want to just look at the water, Madison?
Oh, can she see past the tray? She's trying to hear that sound.
You waking up, Madison? Did you make a wish? Make a wish.
What's the matter with your baby?
She want to get out. What? It stink. Oh, this is cute. Devil's tongue.
Wow.
I like the way this looks. Oh, this is what she was talking about. The corpse flower.
Okay, that is humongous.
Y'all know what I'm trying to say?
Gonna save me?
I don't know the name of it.
A canoe?
No, not the boat. The
You said a boat.
right, but it's inside of a movie.
A boat inside of a movie.
No, it's a movie with the boat.
Titanic?
No, that's Titanic. It's a kids movie, and they had the little candles, and they inside the boat, and then they let it go. And they
Oh,
go inside.
okay.
I can't think of the name of it.
Lanterns?
Yes. Yes.
So you get $100 every return that you do.
And then do the scene, do the whole scene.
Yeah, there you go.
There you go. Now move back, move back. You gotta have dynamic. There
Don't
you
walk
go.
into the bush.
No, you good. You on the path.
Those are
Maddie, zoom in on Maddie. Little Maddie. She's like, no. You said you get $100 for each return?
brand, but you really have to recruit and give us your own customers.
Oh.
We do have an outlet, you don't have, network or Facebook or whatever to draw customers to.
Okay. Oh, show that, man. Oh, you next. It's very nice there.
So, 5.
Maddie! Maddie! Say cheese! Brandy.
Go on, girl. You know how fast
After you do 5 returns that are funded, they give their money back. You get a 3-day, 2-night cruise to the Bahamas.
What? How does that work?
You get your own airfare. You pay your own airfare, but you get the cruise. You get that after you do 50 returns. 50 returns. It's a 7-day cruise they're going on. You do 100 returns.
on the sides. Again, I'm a gambling fan. Life is out there. So if you do that.
Yeah, I want an Ikea home. Just for my life to just be so perfect. How does this work? Why do we have to get one of these little things?
Yep.
Okay. This is so creepy. It makes you feel like you're in an institution. Okay, I see. Oh, you know what? You probably just need one for you and the kids. Okay. I'm just hungry. That's all. I just want to eat. So we just eat. See what they got. They got veggie balls. I'll take that. Vegetable balls. Swedish. Okay, let me figure out what I want to eat out. Yeah. This salad looks so good, but it has cheese on it, of course. It looks so good. I want it without cheese. What you get, Mama? The salmon?
The salmon with some extra vegetables, so they're so good. And some chocolate cake, baby.
And what you get, Anaya? Is it good?
They put too much seasoning on the cauliflower.
What?
They put too much seasoning on the cauliflower.
Oh. You got the Swedish meatballs. And Brandy got regular old fries and tender chicken tenders. I got the vegan, or I don't know, vegetarian meatballs, fries, and a salad. And Maddie is still asleep.